Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by verifying fundamentals. Open settings and check battery health so you know current capacity and wear. Once done, install any available system updates because optimizations often improve life. Next, enable battery saver and drop screen brightness to about 30% or switch on adaptive brightness to reduce drain automatically. Make sure to toggle off unused radios like Bluetooth or NFC if you don't need them. These first actions give you immediate, measurable runtime improvements without digging into advanced controls. Now you focus on the apps and services that silently drain power. Open app battery optimization and restrict background activity for social and streaming apps you don't use constantly. This prevents wake locks and background jobs. Then turn off autosync for non-essential accounts and set manual sync schedules to reduce constant network use. Also enable dark mode and lower screen refresh rate to 60 Hz when smoothness isn't required, because display settings are among the largest battery consumers. Together, these steps cut sustained, invisible drain. Finish by adopting better charging and maintenance habits. Use original or certified chargers, turn on optimized charging, and avoid full 0-100 cycles when possible. Charging between 20% and 80% prolongs battery life. Remove bulky cases during fast charging and keep the phone out of hot cars or direct sun. If you still see fast drain, restart the phone and check the battery usage graph to find a row gap. If problems persist, boot into safe mode to isolate the issue. This single troubleshooting step often reveals the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.